Imagine having the power to track, analyze, and monitor every blockchain transaction. Uncover the true story behind each digital asset transfer with Phalcon Explorer. Phalcon Explorer is your key to unlocking blockchain data with ease. It's perfect for developers, investors, or crypto enthusiasts. What is Phalcon Explorer? It's a user-friendly blockchain explorer for the DeFi ecosystem that allows you to explore transaction histories, monitor wallet balances, and analyze real-time activity. Phalcon Explorer makes navigating the Solana blockchain effortless. Track every transaction from transfers to smart contracts, visualizing real-time events easily. You can trace the flow of tokens across wallets and exchanges. Monitor token burns, mints, and staking activities with ease. Examine balances and activity of any wallet. Instant access to token balances and recent transactions, whether it's your wallet or a public address. For developers, monitor smart contract execution, see deployments, interactions, and track gas fees for transactions. Phalcon Explorer is not just about tracking. Analyze DeFi activities, monitor rewards, and identify investment opportunities with this indispensable tool. Now that you know what Phalcon Explorer can do, it's time to start exploring. Dive into Phalcon Explorer today and discover the blockchain like never before. Are you looking to analyze and understand DeFi transactions in detail? Phalcon Explorer is the ultimate tool to decode complex transactions. To access Phalcon Explorer, simply open the app suite and click on the Explorer option in the main menu. This will take you directly to Phalcon Explorer's interface. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard where you can begin your analysis by entering a transaction hash in the search bar. After entering a transaction hash, hit enter, and you'll be taken to the main transaction details page. Here, you'll find key data about the transaction. Phalcon Explorer also provides a simulator button, allowing you to simulate the transaction for different block numbers or positions. There's a dedicated link that takes you to a list of security incidents dating back to 2023. You'll find attack hashes, vulnerability types, and proof of concepts. Let's dive deeper into the main GUI of Phalcon Explorer. The interface reveals a wealth of information in a clear and organized layout. The first section, Basic Information, includes the status of the transaction, the sender and receiver addresses, and the internal transaction count. Next, let's talk about fund flow. This section visualizes token movements with a directed graph where each node represents an address. If there are multiple transfers, they'll be numbered to show the transaction's chronological order. Phalcon Explorer also displays balance changes, where you can see the net token inflow or outflow for each address involved in the transaction. This includes token names and their USD values at the time of the transaction, helping you track the financial impact of each move. For developers, Phalcon Explorer provides a gas profiler that uses a flame graph to represent gas usage per function call. You can click on any function to see detailed information about its gas consumption, making it easier to optimize or audit a transaction's cost. Another crucial feature is state changes. This section highlights any modifications made to storage due to the transaction. It's especially useful for tracking critical state changes, such as malicious governance changes or protocol vulnerabilities. The invocation flow section displays the transaction's call sequence in a tree structure. It shows the call stack depth, call types, and parameters involved. You can filter and search for specific functions or addresses. You can also toggle between static calls and gas usage, or adjust how many levels of the call tree you want to see. Phalcon Explorer also offers customization features to make your analysis even clearer. You can assign custom highlight colors to addresses, functions, or events, and even create custom labels for specific parts. Additionally, you can decode contract call data by specifying custom function signatures. Phalcon Explorer makes it easy to share your findings with others. Every function call in the invocation flow is numbered. By clicking a specific line number, you can generate a URL that directly links to that function call. By sharing these direct URLs, others can jump straight to important sections of the transaction, making collaboration much easier. Stay tuned. In the next section, we would analyze several transactions using Phalcon. To understand how funds move through a Solana transaction, we're going to break down how Phalcon Explorer can help you effectively analyze fund movements. The Fund Flow feature is a powerful way to visualize and analyze token transfers in blockchain transactions. In this example, we have a transaction involving multiple token transfers on the Solana network. At the center of the diagram, you'll see the node of token mint and burn, which represents the source of token creation or distribution. Next, we see fund movements. These are outgoing transactions from the mint node, indicating where the tokens are sent. Each line represents a token transfer, clearly labeled with the token type, amount, and destination address. Now let's take a look at the significant participants in this transaction. The first is the Jito MEV tip payment address, receiving a small amount of SOL as a tip, and the Jupiter Partner referral fee account, receiving wrapped SOL. Phalcon Explorer uses color coding to make it even easier to follow token movements. Red lines represent transfers of SOL tokens, green lines indicate transfers of USDC, and purple lines show movements of wrapped SOL. For further analysis, you can use MetaSleuth, a tool within Phalcon Explorer that allows you to explore connections between nodes. When it comes to analyzing blockchain transactions, having the right tool makes all the difference. Solana is fast, but finding the right explorer can be overwhelming. Many explorers come with limitations that complicate complex transaction analysis. Phalcon Explorer is built to overcome these challenges. Phalcon Explorer offers a level of detail that other explorers often lack. It provides insights into fund flow, balance changes, and gas profiling. Fund flow analysis on Phalcon Explorer shows how tokens move across addresses with intuitive visualizations, something missing in basic explorers. Phalcon Explorer focuses on security and features a dedicated security incidents resource with reports on hacks and vulnerabilities. This feature makes Phalcon Explorer a resource for learning and staying informed on DeFi security. Phalcon Explorer's debugger stands out with a real-time view of transaction call traces, parameters, and return values. This control helps pinpoint issues when analyzing complex transactions or hacks. Phalcon Explorer also offers customization options that let you label, highlight, and decode contract call data. This flexibility is a win for developers and researchers, enabling focus on key transaction parts. Phalcon Explorer is built with simplicity and has a clean, intuitive interface that is easy to navigate. Many Solana explorers have overloaded interfaces, but Phalcon Explorer cuts through the noise for effective analysis. For developers, Phalcon Explorer provides powerful APIs for integrating transaction data into internal systems. Start exploring with us today and experience the next level of blockchain transaction analysis.